This is nice. What's this? You made this by yourself?
Yes.
A
Mario movie 2 poster.
Nice. So what, you put them all together like one by one?
Yes. 1 by 1 or 2 by 2. 1, 2, 3.
So who are they? Okay, all I know is Super Mario, Luigi, Princess Peach, Donkey Kong, and Toad. And the rest are... Okay, introduce me to them. Okay, one by one.
This is King Boo.
Okay, so this is...
King Boo.
King Boo.
Bowser Jr.
Bowser Jr., okay.
Bowser,
the bad guy.
the bad guy.
Okay.
Waluigi. And Wario.
Who's Waluigi?
Waluigi's with the purple.
The one riding.
Skinny.
Okay, and then?
And Wario's the fat one.
Okay. And then?
Cranky Kong.
This one.
The old monkey. Yoshi. Mario. Cappy. And Luigi. Dr. Mario.
Hi, Doc.
Pauline.
Okay.
Lumali.
Hi, Lumali.
Rosalina.
Rosalina, okay. She nice or she...
She's nice.
Okay.
Blue Shell.
This one?
That's with Bowser. Bad guy. Toad's with... Oh no, Princess Peach.
Okay.
Donkey Kong.
Hi, Donkey Kong.
Dixie Kong, the pink one, the one with the pink. Diddy Kong. Birdo. What's it? Daisy.
Okay.
And Kamek. Toadsworth. Toad. And Toadette.
Nice to meet you all.
Except the bad guys.
Thank you. Hi, Mom. The creator.